You never think it will happen to you, but when you or a loved one is seriously injured, or worse, as a result of the unlawful conduct of another, what do? Who do you turn to? Attorney Michael Loewen isn't your typical attorney. He is a 40-year veteran attorney who has a passion to help those who have been injured and cannot defend themselves against the insurance corporations. This is not a slogan, it's a way of life. Mike Loewen and his team of attorneys go to work every day with the single mission to do whatever it takes to hold those insurance giants responsible for the harms and losses that have been inflicted upon others. Once retained, Mike's handpicked group of disciplined and dedicated investigators, accident reconstructionists, and scientists are on the scene collecting crucial evidence to your case before it disappears or is destroyed. These dedicated professionals often find evidence that was missed by others that came before them. They often find digital recordings and cameras on nearby buildings where no one thought to even investigate. With all the evidence collected, including photographs, recorded statements, accident reconstruction, digital recordings, and much more, Mike Loewen is able to create a clear and vivid portrait of life before his client suffered the horrific injuries, and what life has been like since, and is going to be like in the future. With all this information put together in the appropriate format, Michael Loewen meets with the attorneys and executives of insurance corporations to hold settlement meetings. Sometimes we retain the services of retired judges to help mediate these proceedings in order to get prompt, fair, and equitable compensation for the harms and losses suffered by the injured person and their family. Using our methods of settlement negotiations, less than 4% of our cases have to go before a jury trial, and our fees are on a contingency. We have to be successful, or we cannot stay in business. Jury trials are very expensive, and they are very scary for most people to have to go through. That's why our method of collecting all the evidence with the best experts puts us in the supreme position to resolve your case without having to go to trial.